The BMW 7 Series, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and relentless innovation. Since its inception in 1977, the 7 Series has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. Each generation has introduced groundbreaking features and set new benchmarks for the entire industry. From the first generation E23 to the third generation E38, the 7 Series has always been a leader. The E32, launched in 1986, was a technological tour de force, becoming the first European car to offer a built-in navigation system. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is the culmination of this legacy, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and unparalleled comfort. The 2024 7 Series is more than just a car, it's a bold statement. The 2024 BMW 7 Series marks a new chapter in the illustrious history of this iconic model. It's a car that redefines what it means to be a flagship luxury sedan, seamlessly blending opulence, performance, and innovation. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of the highly anticipated 750 EX-drive plug-in hybrid. This electrified variant promises impressive performance and remarkable fuel efficiency. With a combined output of 483 horsepower, the 750 EX-drive can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. The 2024 7 Series also sees the popular 740i model gain the option of all-wheel drive. Inside, the 2024 7 Series features the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive infotainment system, now upgraded to version 8.5. The 2024 7 Series is more than just a car, it's an experience. The first thing you notice about the 2024 BMW 7 Series is its commanding presence. The design language is bolder and more assertive than ever before, with sharp lines and muscular curves. The iconic kidney grille is larger and more prominent, making a bold statement on the road. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights featuring BMW's innovative crystal headlights technology. Moving along the side, you'll notice the long hood and short rear deck, hinting at the 7 Series performance potential. The sleek roofline flows seamlessly into the rear end, characterized by slim LED taillights. The overall effect is one of understated elegance and athleticism. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is a car that turns heads wherever it goes. Step inside the 2024 BMW 7 Series, and you're greeted by a world of luxury and refinement. The moment you open the door, the ambiance of sophistication and elegance is palpable. The cabin is a sanctuary of opulence, crafted with the finest materials and meticulous attention to detail. Every element has been thoughtfully designed to create an environment that is both inviting and luxurious. From the supple leather upholstery to the real wood trim, every surface exudes quality. The leather is soft to the touch, and the wood trim adds a touch of natural elegance, making the interior feel warm and welcoming. The spacious cabin is designed to envelop you in comfort, whether on a short commute or a long road trip. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum support and comfort, ensuring that every journey is a pleasure. Rear seat passengers enjoy limousine-like levels of comfort, with ample legroom and reclining seats. The rear seats are not just seats, they are a haven of relaxation, offering features that make long journeys feel short. One highlight is the optional BMW theater screen, a 31-inch touchscreen display that transforms the rear seat into a private cinema. This feature is perfect for those who want to enjoy entertainment on the go, providing a cinematic experience right in the car. Other features include massaging seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. These features combine to create an immersive experience, making every drive an event to look forward to. The 2024 BMW 7 Series interior is more than just a place to sit, it's an experience. It's a space where luxury meets technology and comfort meets style, creating an environment that is truly exceptional. Underneath its sleek exterior, the 2024 BMW 7 Series packs a punch. A range of powerful and efficient engines ensures exhilarating performance. The range-topping 760 iX drive is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine generating 536 horsepower. This engine propels the 760 iX drive from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The 740i, powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivers a balance of performance and efficiency. For those who prioritize efficiency, the 750 EX-Drive plug-in hybrid is the perfect choice. Its combination of a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine and an electric motor delivers a combined output of 483 horsepower. No matter which engine option you choose, the 2024 BMW 7 Series delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is a technological tour de force, packed with innovative features that set it apart from the competition. This luxury sedan is designed to offer an unparalleled driving experience, blending cutting-edge technology with elegant design. At the heart of it all is BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, displayed on a stunning curved display that seamlessly integrates into the dashboard. This system is not just about aesthetics, it's about providing a user-friendly interface that enhances the driving experience. This intuitive system can be controlled via touch, voice commands, or a rotary knob on the center console, giving drivers multiple ways to interact with their vehicle. Whether you prefer the tactile feel of a knob or the convenience of voice commands, the iDrive 8.5 system adapts to your needs. The iDrive 8.5 system includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. These features make long drives more enjoyable and keep you connected to the digital world. The 2024 7 Series also features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide a safer driving experience, giving you peace of mind on every journey. For the ultimate in parking assistance, the 2024 7 Series offers BMW's innovative Parking Assistant Professional. This advanced system takes the stress out of parking by handling the steering and braking for you. This system can park the car in parallel or perpendicular spaces, and even memorize the last 50 yards of your journey, making it easier to navigate tight spots and complex parking scenarios. It's like having a personal valet at your service. The 2024 BMW 7 Series seamlessly integrates technology into the driving experience, ensuring that every drive is as enjoyable as it is efficient. From the moment you step inside, you'll be surrounded by innovation that enhances every aspect of your journey. The 2024 BMW 7 Series isn't just about luxury or technology, it's about the driving experience. This car is designed to offer more than just a ride. It provides an immersive journey that engages all your senses. It blends the comfort and refinement of a luxury sedan with the performance and handling of a sports car. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through city streets, the 7 Series adapts effortlessly to your driving style. The 7 Series features a sophisticated suspension system that delivers a smooth and controlled ride. This advanced system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. The car feels planted and stable at high speeds, yet it's also agile and responsive through corners. The balance between stability and agility makes it a joy to drive on any road, from winding mountain paths to straight highways. The steering is precise and communicative, giving you a sense of connection to the road. Every turn of the wheel translates into an immediate response, making you feel in complete control. When you want to unleash the 7 Series' full performance potential, the powerful engines deliver exhilarating acceleration. The roar of the engine and the surge of power make every drive an adrenaline-pumping experience. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is more than just a car, it's a statement of success and sophistication. Its elegant design and luxurious features make it a symbol of prestige and achievement. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, look no further than the 2024 BMW 7 Series. This car redefines what it means to drive, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology.